This is not a building. This is a ship being built from raw steel.
Each plate weighs more than a car, and thousands are used.
These sections are built separately, then joined together.
Inside, the ship is still just a skeleton.
Strength here decides whether the ship survives the ocean. This is one of the largest shipbuilding yards on Earth.
Everything starts with raw steel arriving at the yard.
Each piece is cut to exact dimensions.
Flat steel becomes the curved shape of the hull. These blocks will soon form the body of the ship. The internal frame gives the ship its strength. These walls divide the ship into safe compartments. Each block can weigh hundreds of tons.
Alignment here must be perfect.
These welds seal the ship's outer shell.
This space will soon hold the ship's engines.
Pipes will carry fuel, water, and air.
Miles of cables power the entire vessel. Decks create multiple levels inside the ship.
Even stairways are built from steel.
Only now does the true scale become clear. The bow is designed to cut through waves. The stern will house propulsion systems.
This yard builds many giant ships at the same time. Hundreds of workers shape the ship every day.
Shipbuilding continues day and night.
The ship's body is almost finished.
From here, the ship towers above everything.
This is engineering on a massive scale.
Next, the engines, systems, and final assembly begin.
This is the main engine, one of the largest machines ever installed on a ship.
The engine must be lowered with extreme precision.
Once inside, the engine becomes part of the ship's structure.
This shaft transfers power from the engine to the propeller.
Even tiny misalignment can cause massive damage.
The propeller alone can weigh dozens of tons. This propeller pushes the entire ship through the ocean.
The rudder controls the ship's direction.
Propulsion and steering now work as one system. The heart of the ship is now installed.
Thousands of pipes move fuel, water, and air.
Every valve controls pressure and flow.
Ensure the torque is precisely 200 Newton meters on that flange.
Understood. What about the bypass specification?
These systems control power across the ship.
Kilometers of cables connect every system.
Pumps keep fluids moving throughout the vessel.
Ventilation keeps the ship safe and breathable.
Fire protection systems are built into the ship.
Each system is tested before the ship moves.
This deck supports the ship's operations. The upper structure is built in sections.
These blocks form living and control spaces. This is where the ship will be controlled.
The bridge offers full visibility at sea. Navigation systems guide the ship across oceans.
Communication systems connect ship to shore.
Every area is designed for crew access.
The ship now looks nearly complete.
Next comes painting, testing, and launch.
Before painting, the entire hull must be cleaned and prepared.
This first coating protects the steel from corrosion. Multiple layers of paint protect the ship for decades at sea.
The ship's identity is added to the hull.
This coating reduces drag and fuel consumption.
The coatings are left to cure completely. Every surface is inspected before launch. The ship's exterior is now complete. Next comes the most critical moment, launch.
Lower the beam now.
Steady, watch the alignment.
We need the pry bar over here.
Every system is checked one final time.
Tugboats stand ready to guide the ship. The ship is released toward the water. This is the ship's first contact with the sea. For the first time, the sea ship floats on its own.
Tugboats guide the ship safely.
Years of work reach this moment.
The ship now begins sea testing. Next, the ship must prove itself.
The engine is powered up for testing.
The bridge controls every movement.
Speed and stability are tested.
Steering systems are tested at sea.
Safety systems are tested under real conditions.
Engineers monitor performance closely.
The ship's balance is carefully measured.
This ship is now ready for service.
After testing, the ship returns to port.
From steel plates to ocean giant, this is how ships are built.
Before delivery, the ship must pass strict international inspections.
Steel thickness is measured across the entire hull.
The engine is tested under full operating load.
Electrical systems are tested for reliability.
Navigation systems are verified for open sea operation.
Every safety system is checked one final time.
Engineers confirm the ship's balance and stability.
Approval means the ship meets global standards.
The ship is official, registered, and flagged.
The ship is now fully certified.
The completed ship is presented to its owners. Control of the vessel is formally handed over.
The crew prepares for its first journey.
Supplies are loaded for the voyage ahead. Tugboats prepare to guide the ship.
Clearance is given for departure.
The ship is free from the dock.
The journey begins.
Years of work now move into open water.
This giant is finally at sea.
The ship operates exactly as designed.
Every system now works together.
This vessel will travel across oceans. Built to operate day and night. Engineered for endurance. A new chapter begins. This is industrial engineering at its largest scale. From raw steel to ocean giant. Thousands of people built this ship. Years of work, one vessel. We explore the machines that move the world.